Can't see what's coming, so I'm just gonna go. Question: what is my favourite 125 for looks, sound? My brothers, I'm done. Looks, sound, and speed. This question comes from my man Stubbs.
Okay.
Don't know why I went that slow. Speed, not this thing. Nah, this thing could be. See, now I'm gonna go in the order obviously you wrote it. So, first off, looks. I would have to say the Yamaha YZF. I think that is a fantastic looking 125 because that's just what I like. That's the look that I like. You know, it just looks good. Like, genuinely, if you took the L plates off of that, you know, the R125, I reckon, you know, if it just drove past, you could get away with thinking it was like an R6 or something. In my opinion, you gotta remember this is my opinion, guys. You know, so don't be like, oh my god, I went miles left there. So you gotta remember everything on this video is my opinion, so I don't want to see all the like, he's wrong in every way. Like, no. Gonna start a war or something. That's the thing I've noticed with YouTube comments. You're not allowed opinions on the internet. You're not allowed them. If you have an opinion, someone will be like, nope. So that's the looks. Now for sound. I think for sound, you know, with 125s, they don't really sound amazing stock. Straight away someone's gone, bang, comment section, link to my bike. Sound fucking awesome, brilliant. Like, yeah, I'm sure there's some, but I don't know them, sorry. Stick an aftermarket exhaust on, and then they are absolutely awesome. It's the thing, I don't know of any 125s that sound amazing stock, and I'm gonna get caught behind that transit van. So I'm gonna say for this one, stick an aftermarket exhaust on, and I'd have to say any, like I'm just Harry's blimmin' 125. Ah, mate. Whoa. Harry's blimmin' 125 with an aftermarket exhaust on, that sounded absolutely unbelievable. So I'd have to say, stick an aftermarket exhaust on, and any bike you want, I would say. And speed, I would probably say for speed, either something that's 2-stroke, I'm gonna have to admit that now, as much as I love my 4-strokes, if it's a 2-stroke, it will most likely be faster. People with Honda CBRs, it's quite cheap, and you can mod it, you can get some parts on it, de-restrict it, all that stuff, and you can get these up to, you know, they've been known to hit about 90, 95, around that mark. You know, it's a 125, it's almost hitting triple digits, like, that's what I mean. So, I'd have to say for speed, if it's been modified, that's the key thing. Stock, yep, these things are kind of quick, but they're not, you know, amazing. Whereas if you then mod them, these things are mad. So I would have to say for speed, modified, this. So those are my 3 for you, mate. Looks, Yamaha. Sound, anything with an aftermarket. And speed, this, if it's modified. They're my pigeon. They're my 3. Yep, they're my 3.